Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Dropbox account with Dropbox easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your Dropbox account, start by visiting the Dropbox login page. Enter your email address associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Check your email for a password reset link from Dropbox. If it doesn't appear in your inbox, be sure to look in your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the provided link to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that meets Dropbox security requirements. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Dropbox login page. Enter your email address and new password to log in. If you still cannot access your account, try the Having Trouble option. Follow the prompts to recover your account through the account recovery form. Provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. Once your request is submitted, wait for a response from Dropbox support. If you regain access, make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will help protect your account from future access issues. If you are still unable to recover your account, consider reaching out to Dropbox customer support directly. They can assist you with further steps to regain access. By following these instructions, you can easily recover your Dropbox account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.